If you're going through or experiencing racism at the moment, I'm truly sorry for that.
It may not be easy right now, but whoever bullies you or anything like that, they're not kind people. So you should try your best to ignore them.
Don't pay attention to small-minded people. Don't pay attention to small-minded people.
Sometimes the best way to counteract some of those things that are out there that aren't very pleasant is to rise above it, be kind, and show everyone the amazing things that we do so well.
I hope that as children you could love yourself perfectly the way God made you.
No one on earth is born like you, and you are exactly the way you need to be. There are people who don't feel that. Let them kids say whatever they want, you know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, they gotta deal with whatever they going through, which made them say those mean things or whatever they decided to say. You still get to go home and be who you are.
You matter. Your story, your life, your culture. Stand tall, stand united, be courageous.
Let's celebrate others and let's celebrate ourselves, because sometimes it's the thing that makes us different that is our superpower.
This month, you're gonna learn about incredible people who knew how beautiful and how precious their gift to the world is. And yours is too, who didn't let negative voices affect them showing their gift.
Seek the support of the people around you, your teachers, your peers, your friends. Your real friends will be there for you. If you aren't experiencing it directly, but you can see it going on around you, or you can see a friend experiencing it, your voice is probably even more important. You need to be an ally for the people who are experiencing it. You need to be there for them, to advocate for them. It's the only way we're going to change things and make this world a better place.